A cold case finally goes to court. Good evening, I'm Paula Akana. Opening statements today in the case of a murder that happened in Honolulu 25 years ago. KITV4's Paul Drews has the latest in the trial of Gerald Austin.
Allow me now to introduce to you Edith Skinner.
Before prosecuting attorney Scott Bell talked about the death of Edith Skinner, he talked about her life.
Her routine was very simple. A regular bridge game. Sunday church services at the Waikiki Episcopal Church, which at the time met at the Reef Towers in Waikiki. Her pet parakeet. Baking.
The retired widow lived in a secure public housing building in Honolulu, where her son, Stephen, testified she kept to herself and her small circle of friends.
Was your mother, at that point of her life, someone who would open the door for a stranger?
Not at all.
In 1989, Gerald Austin was around 28 years old. His grandmother also lived in the same building as 81-year-old Skinner. The elderly woman was found in 1989. Skinner had been strangled. The medical examiner found a suspect's hair and semen, but police could not make an arrest until 2012 after obtaining a DNA sample from Austin.
There is a perfect match between that unknown male profile on that vaginal swab that was recovered in 1989 and the defendant's profile. A perfect match.
But Austin's public defender argues the evidence doesn't point to his client being a killer.
Truth is stranger than fiction. Gerald Austin did not kill Edith Skinner on July 25, 1989. At best, what the evidence will show you is that there was sexual contact between Gerald Austin and Edith Skinner.
It's taken 25 years for Skinner's murder case to get to court. During the trial, jurors will learn more about her death. Aquino argues, even with all the information, it won't be enough to convict Austin of murder.
What happened to Edith Skinner in 1989 left many unanswered questions. And today, some 24 years later, there's still many unanswered questions. And at the end of this trial, what you will be left with is many unanswered questions.
At Circuit Court, Paul Drews, KITV4 News.